So Limpopo Boy recently released a statement and there's some things that I don't agree with here. But let's first read the statement, then we'll discuss the things that I personally don't agree with after. I am writing this with a deeply humbled and heavy heart. I know that what has happened has caused pain, anger, disappointment, and many difficult emotions. I've heard the voices of South Africans, and I understand that many people have been affected by what has unfolded. I want to take this opportunity to put matters into perspective without being defensive and show remorse for my poor judgment. I've been raised by a Christian family which respects the sanctity of marriage, abhors adultery or infidelity, and believes in the values of family and marriage. I only discovered after the video was leaked that she was married. I should have independently verified her marital status before sharing a private moment with her. Instead of doing that, I threw caution to the wind and I'm now paying the price for my poor judgment. For that, I'm truly sorry. I profoundly apologize for my omission. I want to apologize in particular to the Shai family for the tremendous pain I've put them through. That's not how I was raised. I'm not a home wrecker. I'm sorry to everyone who has been hurt, disappointed, or distressed in any way. I do not want to make excuses, dismiss anyone's feelings, or pretend that words alone can undo what has happened. I understand that my actions and circumstances do not exist in isolation. They affect my family, the people who care about me, and members of the public who have followed this matter and held me in high regard. I accept that there are consequences that come with being in the public eye, and I understand the responsibility that comes with that. At this point, I'm choosing humility over defensiveness. I'm choosing to listen, reflect, and learn from my mistakes. I'm not a saint. I'm not perfect either. I cannot change what has already happened. What I can do is take this moment seriously, learn from it, and work towards becoming a better person. To my family, to those who have stood by me, and to South Africans who feel hurt or disappointed by what has happened, I am sincerely sorry. Ntshwareleng. I know that trust is not restored through statements. It is restored through time, accountability, and actions. I ask for an opportunity to do better, with humility and remorse. That was Limpopo Boy asking for forgiveness. But here's where I don't agree with him. Otsi, he didn't know but the girl was married. I feel like he's lying, dog. What do you guys think? Mina, personally, I think he knew. I think he knew that girl was married, bro. The Limpopo community, especially the Licompo community, I think they all know but this girl is married because she's popular that side. So they know, including him. I feel like he knew she was married. Okay, but let me not say a lot. So yeah, man, that was his apology. What do you guys think? Do you think he deserves to be forgiven? Do you believe that he didn't know but this girl was married? Comment down below.